Hi, my name is Walter Dolce, and welcome to Creating a Continuous Deployment Pipeline by Pact Publishing. I am a software and platform engineer with experience in both software development and systems design and administration. Over the years, I have designed, built, and maintained several highly available and resilient systems and applications for both small and medium-sized businesses as well as large enterprises such as the BBC and Just Eat. This video gives you an overview of the entire course and what will be accomplished by the end of it. The ultimate goal of the course is to show you how to build a continuous deployment pipeline that allows you to continuously test, deploy, and monitor your containerized application. To achieve that goal, we will explore and use various modern tools and technologies such as Docker, Kubernetes, and Terraform, to name a few. And we will do it by leveraging the capabilities and features of the major cloud providers such as Amazon Web Services and Google Cloud Platform. This course is divided into 5 sections. In section 1, we will start building the continuous deployment pipeline using infrastructure as code. We will then go through each pipeline component by installing and configuring it. Once the continuous deployment pipeline is up and running, in section 2 we will start creating our first Docker application. We will then automate the process of testing it and deploying it to the production environment. In section 3 we will focus on the production environment itself. We will leverage the continuous deployment pipeline and infrastructure as code to continuously deploying changes to it. Section 4 will be about monitoring and logging. I will show you how to generate application logs and ship them to AWS CloudWatch and Google Stackdriver, the two login services offered by AWS and Google Cloud Platform respectively. I will also show you how to visualize those logs within Grafana. And finally, in section 5, I will show you how to configure Prometheus to surface platform and application metrics and how to create Grafana dashboards to visualize those metrics. In order for you to follow the content of the course, you need a few things first. Please ensure you have Docker, Terraform, and the kubectl command line utility installed locally on your machine. A valid user account on AWS and Google Cloud Platform is also required. If you don't have an account on AWS or Google Cloud Platform yet, you will be able to use the free tier offered by them. By the end of this course, you will know why continuous deployment and infrastructure as code are important software release and development strategies. You will learn how to build a continuous deployment pipeline using the modern tools adopting infrastructure as code. You will learn how to create, test, and deploy a Docker application with the pipeline. And finally, you will know how to do monitoring and logging of a Docker application you're running in Kubernetes.